Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and watch someone's Instagram story without them knowing. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For that matter, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead first access your Instagram. And let's say there is some account or some story we would like to see, but we don't want them to know that we have watched. So for that matter, what we're gonna do, we're simply gonna go ahead, we can use this airplane mode trick. For that, we're gonna go ahead, simply scroll down and just simply turn on the flight mode on, and we're going to tap on the person's story. We're gonna check out the story, and then we're gonna go back and again turn off the flight mode. We will have our internet connection back on, and we will be able to check that person's story, but that person won't get notified, right? That's one way to do. Or the other thing would be simply for you to check that person's story with another account. Go ahead, get logged out of this one, like get logged in, and you can check out, right? Those are some of the ways for you to check out, and that is it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.